how to upload Instagram Reels in 60 FPS on iPhone. So if you want to upload Instagram Reels in 60 FPS on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. From your settings, you need to scroll down and then you'll find an option of apps, tap on it, and then scroll down and tap on camera. Just simply tap on camera. Now, once you tap on camera, you will get these kind of interface. Now you need to scroll down, tap on record video, which will be in the top of your screen. And from record video, you need to go and select 60 FPS, which is 4K at 60 FPS. You can go with this option or this option. So I'll just simply go with 4K at 60 FPS or 1080p, which is the preferable one. Now your camera will start recording videos at 60 FPS. Another option is to change the FPS on your editing software. Simply, you can open up your editing software. Like for example, in my case, I have CapCut. So I'll just simply go and open up my CapCut. Now from your CapCut, you need to just simply go with your resolution. Go with your edit and then tap on your video. Now just simply go and edit any video that you're comfortable with. And then on the top, as you can see, that you will have the resolution section. And the frame rate here, you need to just simply go and select 60 frame rate. And that's it. With that, you'll have smoother playback. That's how you can upload your Instagram Reels in 60 FPS. Once done editing from these softwares or once done capturing with your camera, save it on your device, and after saving or after exporting it in 60 FPS, you can just simply go and share it on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.